first the menu. Then you press enter. F1.1. This is the target. How much you want to pack. For example, if you want to pack 5 kilo, then you enter 5. 0, 0. Now it's 5 kilo. Then press enter. F1.2. Usually we set it as 12 kilo. F1.3 we set it as 2.2. F1.3 F1.4 刚才多少了？0.02 usually set as 0.02. Then press enter. Then escape. So now the target is 5 kilo. If we want to pack, this is the menu 01, menu 1. If we use menu 2, press number 9. Then we change it to number 2. Then press enter. Now we can set another menu. This one we can set as, for example, 10 kilo. Enter. And these others are the same. Same parameter. Also F1.5 same as the other. So this if you want to do another one, then you press and change it to 3. Then set again. 先这样。